Alright, so we have two different sets of G.Skill Trident Z Royal Series RAM. We're going to open one of these up for you guys to see it. We picked this RAM out because of its just natural beauty. G.Skill does a really good job of giving you a really nice unboxing feel. They include a nice little cloth because these are mirrored finishes and they will get fingerprints and stuff like that. But we picked out 32 gigabytes total, 4 8GB sticks of the DDR4 3600 MHz RAM. And this is just a spectacular RAM. We have it in our build behind me. And this can be changed to almost any color, but for me it's always been, so far at least, the most beautiful RAM as far as RGB goes that you can get. These come in both gold and silver finishes. I haven't done any of the gold builds yet, but maybe I'll have a need one of these days. But this is the G.Skill Trident Royal Series RGB RAM, and it is my favorite RAM so far.